Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google Play Store country. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, say for example, you're from the Philippines and you move to America or USA. Okay, so what you'll do is that if your phone is still currently stuck in Philippines, you can go ahead over to the top right, tap on your profile. Okay, and in here, go ahead over to settings. Just tap on it, and once done, tap on got it right here. Tap on general. Now go ahead and find account and device preferences. You can see here account, country, and history is available. But before you tap on it, make sure that you use device location right here. Okay, tap on the slider and tap on while using the app. Okay, and once that's done, tap on account right here. And for example, you currently is in the United States, you are from the Philippines, well, you'll be able to see a switch button right here. So what you do is just tap on it. Now, if you want to change country, okay, let's say you wanted to try VPN, you can see similar options. So first up, you're going to want to open up your VPN and switch to the country that you would like to use. And then just go back to this same exact page and you'll be able to see a switch button here as well. But do keep in mind that you can only switch once a year, okay? Do take that in mind. So just tap on switch, and once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.